Ukraine's drone army keeps on taking out expensive Russian equipment. The TOS-1A is one of these systems, as it lacks the longer range, putting them well within FPV drones range. The system, while built on a tank chassis, is very vulnerable when loaded with rockets, as these easily destroy the tank chassis if detonated. This makes any attack very dangerous for the system, as the rocket can easily be hit, and as a FPV drone strikes another of Russia's TOS system, the rockets start burning. This leads fairly soon thereafter to more rockets catching fire and detonating, destroying another of Russia's expensive system, having around half of their TOS stocks lost, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.